Hello friends, welcome to Let's Learn Design. In this channel you learn design skill through project only. Here you will learn design, automation and coding related skill. Let's see what are the skill you can learn here. Okay, so we begin with the project of Arduino series. In this series of project, you learn C++ programming, concept of automation, about microcontroller and sensor. We start from very basic level so that you can grab whole things and master this skill. In first project, we run a stepper motor and code it to rotate particular number of rotation. In the next project we increase our level little bit higher. Second project we make a laser security to protect any device or you can make for your home or shop. In third project we make a Bluetooth driving car and you can drive from your Android app. Later on we also learn how to develop this type of app. Next project I will teach you how you can make a GPS tracker for your bike or car and track it. In this series we make a fingerprint lock and 3D printer, and later on we learn how you can create your own STL model to print on 3D printer. So all of this project we follow mainly three steps. First step, we discuss our detail connection and component and working physics and sometimes the solid chemistry. Second step, we write coding. That is our one objective to complete this project. So we start from very basic. There is the blank and know the details of each word and its function. And in third step we execute the whole project and see the result with the little variation of coding. So by completing this project you learn C++ concept of automation. Also you learn to create this project. In second series we complete 2 or 3 projects on IoT concept, that is Internet of Things. Here you learn how you can control any device using internet from anywhere in the world if you have internet in your mobile. Of course, you need to install a mechanism on your device. Here we complete project on home automation. In third series, we learn how to develop a application for a particular task using MIT App Inventor. Fourth series is very interesting. Here we learn web development using HTML, PHP, CSS and JavaScript. Here we complete whole things from beginning, domain name to launch in real server and run it. First project we take it very simple how to write on HTML, then we learn concept of pixel, color, boxes and structure of web page. Third project we learn addition of link, gateway and finally launch in real server. In fifth series we learn C programming by completing very simple project like snake game, calculator, etc. In sixth series we learn R programming and Python with some project. Seventh series is very interesting. It's on machine learning. Human brain have neuron to process data and take right decision. Similarly, we make artificial neuron by using Python and Java. We train our artificial neuron to perform particular task. In next series of video, we complete few project on blockchain, how it works, and we create a few blockchain app using Python and R programming. Next series is all about developing a algorithm trading bot using machine learning, Python and R programming all of together. Also, you can create your own bot for performing desktop work. Next section is dedicated to robotics. We learn to create robotics using image processing, voice recognition by the help of MATLAB, R programming and machine learning concept. And next is not for all, it is dedicated to engineering students. Here we learn AutoCAD, Creo, CATIA, SolidWorks, Inventor, ANSYS, ArcCam and CNC programming. In this series of video, we also learn cybersecurity concept and ethical hacking. We also complete some physics experiment like making transmitter, receiver, etc. Let's quick recap on skill you can learn here. Well, I hope you got idea. Here all you learn through project only. Means end of each project, end of the each video you see the result. Let's start few question and answer. So first question will be in your mind, who will teach this high technology? Well, I can teach all of this. We have dedicated team from NIT's, IIT'S and some professional will teach here. But now I am starting with YouTube. Later we launch our own platform. Well, next question is, who can learn it? Anyone can learn it if you are a school or college going student. It's hardly matter. Well, there will be a few portion we use matrices. Matrix means not movie zone, it's the arrangement of number and calculus, but you can handle it, just follow the step. Why you learn this? Well, it's very stupid question. You can create your dream project by using this skill. Also, you can earn money by using this skill. There is many sites like Fiverr, freelancing, Upwork. You can earn money by completing similar type of project. Later we launch our own platform and give you tasks and pay you. And final question is, what is our motive to teach here? Our motive is to teach design and modern technology to school and college going students all over India with easiest way. Be the part of this journey. Stay well. Share with friends, family and children. I am signing off with this introduction video with great hope. See you on next video.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love